After we get this shot. Roll sound. Sound speed.
Oh.
Roll camera. Can we watch this, please? Universal Animal Actors. Lights. Camera.
Live from Universal Studios Hollywood, welcome to Universal's Animal Actors.
Hi, I'm Amanda Hernandez, and I'm an animal trainer here at Universal Studios Hollywood. This is Rocky, and this is Musco, and they are in the movie Beverly Hills Chihuahua. Being an animal trainer is as exciting as it is unpredictable. I was working on a movie set in New York City when the police were called regarding a bunch of chickens that were on the loose, when in actuality, we were making Hollywood movie magic. One of the best parts of being an animal trainer is I get to take my kids home every night with me. I'm lucky to work with a great team of trainers and staff that truly love, respect, and care for our animal stars. On behalf of everyone here at Universal Animal Actors, have a great time and enjoy the show.
And now, please welcome one of Hollywood's top animal trainers, Miss Amanda Hernandez.
Hello, good afternoon. And this is my friend Rocky, and we both work for a company that's been training animals for movies and television for over 40 years. Now, most people don't know is that many of their favorite animal stars come from rescues and shelters. And just like Rocky, they got their training right here on this stage in front of a live audience. In a little while, we're going to reveal what it took for our animal stars to make it on the big screen. In the meantime, sweetie, you're all set. Off you go! Okay, let's get this show started. We bought a zoo. This is Sparky. Hey there, Sparky. Now we train our birds to fly from one person to another. To help demonstrate this, I do need help from an adult volunteer. Somewhere halfway up in this midsection, and it does need to be an adult. The gentleman right here, you're perfect. Go ahead and stand up. Please stay there and take out a dollar bill. Now the reason why I asked you to take out a dollar is you might feel uncomfortable flying to somebody who doesn't recognize. So as seen in Universal 7 Almighty, we train our birds to fly to a common object. And in this case, it happens to be a dollar. Great, fold it in half. Fold it in half one more time. Place it in between two fingers. Extend your arm out straight to your side. Sparky's going to see that and know exactly where our actor is located. Good, let go. A good sport, let's get the dollar back to him. Go ahead and stand up for me again. This time we're going to make it easier on the bird. Extend both arms out. And you flap really hard and fly on down here together. One arm out, palm facing up like a little wave pad. Sparky's been a good sport. Go ahead and take it on back. Whoa, that was fun. I'm going to send it back to you the proper way. Don't be rude. Here we go. Actually, I'm also going to ask that all the cell phones go down, because actually perhaps the cameras are the thing that made him a little bit nervous. He's not always used to a camera in his face, although he is in the movies. It's not that close all the time. Okay, so go ahead. Yep. Palm facing up, let's do the other hand this time. Make sure he does it. And of course, if the wind is blowing, it might blow away, but let's hopefully it doesn't. There we go. Excellent. Excellent. Thank you. Enjoy the show. Off you go. Hey, look, there's our stage hand. Not only do we get to work with cute, adorable birds like Sparky, but sometimes we get to challenge ourselves with something larger, like a bird of prey. As Senior Universal's Lady Hawk, Matthew Broderick catches this hawk with both precision and grace in a spectacular feat of flight. We'd like to recreate that movie magic right here. Focus your attention to the back of the arena. In the small closed box is a star from 310 to Yuma. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Arrow. Start with that dollar, but I sent you Arrow. Wow. Now sit out. Makes you too. Arrow's a captive bred African aqua buzzard, part of the raptor family, a group of birds consisting of hawks, eagles, kites, falcons, vultures, and owls. We'd like to introduce you to the cousin of arrows in a rare close-up appearance. Eurasian eagle owls. You might recognize them from the Harry Potter series. Might also recognize them from the TV series Bones and CSI. And most recently, a Geico commercial. These birds are not endangered, but many native birds are. We here at Universal ask that everyone please do their part in helping all animals, so majestic creatures just like these never become endangered. Applause for Iris and Olympus. I'd like to introduce you to one of Universal's newest animal stars, Sweet Pea. But we got something better than that. Please welcome out our stunt bird baby, a blue and gold macaw. Please remember a strong curve of weight. Once in flight, we can swap out the background for any scene. To see what it looks like in a film, take a look at the screen. Beautiful flying from question we're asked here at the show is how do you get your dogs into movies and television? Well, it all starts out with some basic training. And to help demonstrate this, please welcome out a star from the movie The Backup Plan. This is Dusty. Hi, Dusty. Good boy. You can actually also see Dusty out front in the park. He plays the role of Max here at Universal's Grinchmas. Before our dogs can go onto a movie set, they do need to know basic hand and verbal cues. And one of the most important tools we use is something called a mark. It's usually a simple black circle, but it lets our dogs know where they need to stand in any given scene. And then to follow up with that is something even more difficult, and that is called the workaway. And to demonstrate this, I do need help from a young lady, perhaps a little girl, not afraid of dogs, who would like to help me out here on stage. My goodness, so many choices. On the end in that turquoise shirt, you want to help me out? You got a Minnie and Mickey on your shirt. Come on down. You're looking around. You want to help me out? Come on down. So we are at Universal, but that's okay. Come on up here. Hi there, welcome. What's your name?
Taylor.
Taylor? Kayla. Kayla, where are you from? Don't worry about it. Kayla, have a seat in this chair for me. You're going to play our actress. Now, how we set this up is I'm going to have Dusty facing our actress and away from me. Good boy. Going to get you on your mark. Good. Sit, stay. Good boy. I'm going to take one of Dusty's favorite doggy treats, and I'm going to place it in front of our actress, Kayla, for Dusty to focus on. Now I'm going to move behind him or step off camera, and he's going to respond to commands. Good boy. This is... Sweetie, this is for the dog. Stay. We're going to try this again. So I'm going to step behind Dusty off camera. I want him to be looking at our actress, but he's actually going to be looking at those treats and responding to my verbal commands. This is the workaway. Watch it. Good boy, Dusty. Watch it. Speak. Good. On your feet. Stay. Lie down. Lie down. Lie down. Watch it. Lie down. Lie down. Good. Side. Head down. Straighten up. Good. On your feet. Sit. Speak. Good. On your mark. Get on your mark. Good boy. Speak. 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 Good. On your feet. Lie down. Down. Crawl. 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 All right, that's done. Here with me. You did an excellent job. I've got a couple things for you. First of all, you're officially a trainer for the day, and that's a Universal Express Pass. Merry Christmas, sweetheart. You're welcome. Not only do our dogs have to listen to us trainers, but sometimes they have to listen to an actor. So for this next scene, how about help from a young gentleman not afraid of dogs? It needs to be just the right height. Let's choose. Oh my goodness. Okay, the gentleman in this red shirt over here. I think it's his birthday. Yeah? Come on down. Come all the way down those stairs and then meet me over here by these stairs. Hi there. Welcome. Come on up. Happy birthday. Is it your birthday today?
Yes.
How old are you?
10.
10. Happy birthday. And what is your name?
Gael.
Gael, where are you from?
Arizona.
Welcome to Hollywood. Gael, have a seat in this chair for me. You're going to play our actor. Let's meet your animal co-star. He played the role of Maisie in the movie Marmaduke. This is Lincoln. Lincoln. Anything you could think of, such as a hat, shirt, pants, shoes, socks. What I need you to do is stay in your seat, lean over and whisper to Lincoln 2 items of clothing. He's going to race backstage and then bring them back out for us one at a time. Okay, you can whisper to him right now for me. Stay in your seat and whisper. Did you ask for 2? Yep, ask for 2. Now you ask for 2? Okay, race on back there. Folks, this is not a trick. Lincoln is taking his direction from our fine young actor, and he's rummaging through this pile, and he's going to bring out that first item. I'm not too sure what you asked for, but ooh, he brought it out. A hat. Did you ask for a hat? Yes or no?
Yes.
Folks, we got the first one right. Great job, you two. Here's the Scooby snack for you. Go on back there again. So this should be a 100% show. I am not too sure what you asked for, but don't worry. Lincoln is tuned in. He hasn't missed a show yet, and he brought out... Oh, wait a minute. Where did you get this? Lincoln's girlfriend. You're doing a fine job, though. Go ahead and stand up for me. Give a big wave to your Hollywood fans out there. A big wave. Done. Come out. And sit. Good boy, you're well trained. You're out for one more scene. Take a walk with me. When our dogs go on a movie set, they have to audition just like actors. The director might ask for variety behaviors, such as going around, under, over, or through things. It's our job as their trainers to help them to accomplish these skills. So we're going to show you some of them with their own audition right here. Please make some noise for Animal Stars. We got Emmy and Reed! The two groups, this side of the audience, they're cheering on Emmy. You might recognize Emmy from a recent Chewy.com commercial. After I say action, I want this side to make as much noise as possible. Let's give it a shot. Lights, camera, action! cheering on Reed. When Reed was just a puppy, he played the role of Butterball in Super Buddies, and you can also see him on the TV show called Mom. You know what to do. Lights, camera, action! Over their way through the poles, run through a chute, jump back over our birthday boy, and finish off by ringing the bell. We can only audition one dog at a time. Well, it looks like Miss Emmy's up first. Folks, don't forget to cheer. Lights, camera, action! Action! Oh, I'm so sorry about that. Go ahead and stand up for me, buddy. Happy birthday! The day now, and maybe you can get some dry cleaning. Sorry about that. See? Hey, what's going on? Whoa, no! Whoa, no! What? You're kidding, now he's dead! He's dead? Hold on, I got an idea. Idea. Let's just run a CAT scan. Yes! A CAT scan! Hey, over there! What are you doing? That's not what I asked for.
No.
Why did you do that? Chicken! Where's the dog? Ah, come here!
Ladies and gentlemen, the cast of Universal's Animal Actors.